Okay, I believe we're live. Good morning and welcome to the 10-minute meditation. Today, this whole week's focus is going to be on healing, and we're going to start with healing of the past. So if there's a specific issue in your past that you'd like to bring up, great. If not, don't worry about it. Just we're going to go into a nice state. We're going to look back and we're just going to allow the line to be cleared and allow it to be healed. So whether it's specific or not, you'll get a benefit. We always begin with the Lord's Prayer and a prayer of protection. Then we follow a little guided meditation into a quiet place. At the end of the quiet place, you'll hear a chime. So you know I'll begin speaking. And as we come out of the meditation, we will close with the 23rd Psalm. This is how you safely open up all your energy fields, in other words, your chakras, and how you properly close them, all in a safe manner. So let's begin. Take a deep breath and close your eyes and just get comfortable. Please say the prayers with me if you know them. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Just take a moment and allow some peace to move through you and relax you. Scan your body and just notice if there's any tension. And where there's tension, invite your body to relax. Take another deep breath and relax even further. Start to move your mind back into that beautiful stream, that endless flow of generosity, healing, mercy, abundance that comes from God. That stream that connects us directly to Him. Feel yourself just moving into it like you're standing under a waterfall. Now turn to the left in your mind. Just look to your left and notice there's this long tunnel, and throughout the whole tunnel are images of your past. And then there's sort of a gray spot, and it continues again. And another gray spot, and it continues again. These gray spots are actually different lives, different incarnations. Our soul is eternal, so it goes back very far. And at the very end is where we originally were one with God. Between where you stand now and where you were at the beginning is a long journey, but one that can be cleared with grace. And as you are standing in this beautiful fountain of grace and love and mercy, watch it just pour through you and right down that tunnel to the left. Just spinning and clearing, all these beautiful colors radiating out. Let's just sit in silence and watch this beautiful clearing and healing of our past as we're in peace. Some of us might have made it all the way through. Others may not have, like myself. I kept drifting away and having to come back. It is okay. This is a process. We will again take on healing the past tomorrow. So as we bring our consciousness back into our body now, fully, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Have an awesome day, guys. I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. And that's it. And Wednesday, I'm going to talk about shaking off the energy between readings. Sometimes, when you're highly intuitive and you guys are enjoying picking up on stuff, you have to learn how to shake it off before moving on, because you don't want to be carrying people's stuff with you. See you then. Bye-bye.